What is up, everybody? Hey, real quick, happy Thanksgiving, you guys. Hope you guys had some turkey, maybe some tamales, baby, because that's what I like to do. A little tamales, a little hot sauce in there. Yeah, buddy. But guess what? Black Friday is here, you guys. Actually, we're extending Black Friday to the weekend, Friday through Sunday. We're doing free shipping on swag, baby. Get your swag at gooseperformance.com. And you're right, I got the new swag. Check it out. Check that out. Yeah, buddy. Look, matter of fact, let me show you a little better because new shirts just came in hot off the press, babe. Look at that shirt, man. 9 colors we got on this thing. 9 colors, you guys. That's the new t-shirt on gooseperformance.com. Make sure you guys use the promo code Black Friday for free shipping on your swag. Hit gooseperformance.com. But you guys already know. Let's get into the video. Bro, what do you got over there?
LS.
Guys, look. What's back, baby. Oh yeah, look at that, you guys. I don't remember if I told you guys before, but that's the finished product right there. We actually sent it out to my buddy Jose's shop. He hooked us up, man. He painted it, body worked it for us. You guys remember on that last video, we welded it in, get it all mocked up, but look at how it turned out, you guys. This thing looks freaking good now. That's really what you can expect once you kind of have it painted and body worked. But man, that panel is looking good. Kale, what you think, bro?
I think it looks good. Looks factory.
I think it looks so freaking good. That's just, once we put that motor in, it's just gonna pop. You start putting all the trim on and all the accessories on and everything else like that. Also went ahead and redid the brake lines and the brake booster because obviously we got rid of the old we had, what was it called, the proportioning valve, Kale. We got rid of that because with aftermarket brakes, you guys, you definitely want to get rid of the old proportioning valve and run a new one. We're running that new Willwood proportioning valve. That way we can adjust the back brakes as needed. We also added a residual valve as well to try to reduce some of that knockback on those pistons because this car is going to be autocross and road race a little bit. So I think we can put the motor back, KO. I think we'll put the motor back, kind of set it up, and then we can start at least getting all the accessories back on and kind of going from there, bro. But I'm excited.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, baby. All right, let's throw this motor in real quick, fellas. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I totally forgot to do the introduction, you guys, man. I was so excited just to kind of get the motor back in the engine bay because once we got that firewall done, I mean, it needed to go back in. We needed it out of the way because this engine hoist is a freaking monster. But she's in for the most part, you guys. We just gotta remove this harness, the strap right here set up, but it is kind of leaning up against the firewall, barely, like just a little bit. We're going to keep the blanket between the head and the firewall so it doesn't damage the firewall until we can get the tranny in and obviously have the motor sitting right. But man, this process is always stressful, KO, because you remember that last time when we put the motor in that Chevelle and we dinged up the firewall and
had to pull it back out.
It's always stressful, super stressful. But guys, we got the motor in for the most part. We're probably gonna call it a night here, you guys. It's actually super late, man. It's and this is a win in my book.
3 in the morning.
We needed a win this week, y'all, and we got it. I think this is good. If it went smooth, it went easy, no issues. We're just gonna tighten it up a little bit and remove this out of the way.
Back in there?
What is that? No, that's just the one I used to hook up that strap, you know. But guys, let me know what you guys think, man. Put it down in the comments below. What you guys think of that firewall, the way it just came out. I mean, that thing looks sharp. Let me know if you guys would be interested, obviously, in this panel. Like I said, I'm super debating on putting this on the website. If you guys are interested, let me know. Put it down in the comments below for these G bodies. But guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Quick and easy video today. I should say today, tonight, whenever you guys are watching it, man. But you guys do me a favor, smash the like button and the subscribe button and hit the bell for notification. You guys already know. stay wrenching.